In this video, I'm going to show you how to add browser preview for Google Antigravity. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the top right over here, click on Settings, and then you want to click on where it says Open Antigravity User Settings. From in here, where you can see Browser, click on that, and then you want to make sure that these browser tools are enabled, okay? So if you have that enabled, then you'll be able to use this. Now, whenever you've done that, you can just go ahead and basically click on the X button, and here I have some code of just a sample index.html which was used to actually test this. And whenever you have some code in here you want to preview, what you can do is the following. You can click on this button up top, which will open up your browser preview, and this will take a few seconds. It's going to load the launcher. There we go. And this is going to be kind of your default page over here. It's going to tell you everything about the anti-gravity browser control preview. And then what you can do here is actually very simple. You can just ask your agent over here to show the preview, and it's going to think for a bit, and then it's going to basically maybe sometimes give some errors. If it does, it's going to fix itself, and then eventually it's going to allow you to basically preview your local HTML file, okay? Now it's going to open up automatically like it did for me, or it's going to just tell you can navigate to this local file URL. So I'm just going to go and copy this right now so I can show you how this looks like. There we go. So this is basically this file. I can go and click on Open Browser Preview up top. Now again, this will open automatically whenever you ask your agent to do so, and it's going to be able to click around on your screen, stuff like that. But then, of course, if you do it for a second time, you don't have to do it via code. You can just copy that, paste it in here, and then you can press the Enter key, and there we go. Here's my site, which I basically generated just for this browser preview feature showcase. Now, that's essentially how to add a browser preview. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.